Oh, good morning, everybody. The weather has changed a little bit in Mauritius. It's been raining for actually a couple of days. I thought I need to note this because I always say it never rains for the whole day, but actually for 2 days it rained for the whole day. Today I'm deciding to get out, going to Pereybere. I've actually organized a lunch with a whole bunch of strangers. Because a lot of you guys, you send me messages saying we're going to be in Mauritius, love to meet you, and you know, when you have limited time, it's like you can't have lunch with everybody separately. It's like, let's just all get together. So let's see how it turns out. Some people also, they live here but they're by themselves, so what a great opportunity to meet people, I suppose. But yeah, you can see some of the trees are losing their leaves for winter even. I just ran into Graham. He lives here. We had a lovely chat the other day. It was great meeting Graham. I'll try and introduce you to Graham sometime. Last night I actually put on tracksuit pants. I'm gonna suffer, y'all. It was cold. Of course, yesterday was an amazing sunny day. And I stayed at home. Today we're going to play Dodge the Rain. Taking the bus now. 82 and 95 pretty much go up and down the coastal road. So very easy. Oh, something here, something is absolutely divinely delicious. I don't know where it's coming from, but it smells good. And just like that, we're at Pereybere. Sad day, ladies not open. Oh no. Vanessa's not open either. The amazing Pereybere Beach. When you've been walking around Mauritius, you realize how small Pereybere actually is. But I mean, it's got everything you need. And you don't have to walk too fast. And even Diego's not here today. What's going on? Maybe they thought it was going to rain. I've got like none of my friends at the beach. It's very strange. I suppose it's a good thing I'm making new friends. At least Eric is here. And Malira Tours and Ocean Spirit. Yay! Now, this is my amazing friend Deborah. And she's just telling me Pereybere is going to have a beach cleanup next week. So if I get my ass in gear and edit this before then, come and say hi. Shame I caught her off guard. But she's awesome. Yeah, I have so many memories and friends and stuff in Pereybere because Brian and I lived here for like, I don't know, 3 years or something. Anyway, now I'm late for lunch. I'm here and nobody's here yet. Let's hope some people arrive. And here's the drinks menu. They've put the price of the Phoenix up a bit, I think. A glass of wine, still a good price. Well, cheers to me. Celine and Cedric arrived. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Enjoy your holiday. I'm sure Cedric can help you. There you go. Rebecca has just arrived all by herself to move to Mauritius as a teacher. So yeah, welcome her in the comments, guys. Look how beautiful it is.
30%. We don't know. Before, where did you go? In France to Paris. And
our lovely waitress, her name is Ajani. She's so sweet, and she's actually making separate bills for all of us, so you guys know. I love this place. I've convinced Rebecca to get the ginger fish. Celine from Reunion is eating the green chili, and go eat. It's okay.
it's okay.
Oh, she can move here, guys. Okay, I went with fish in Uruguay Creole, so look how amazing that looks. But you want to see what I got this with? Fries, of course, because I live here. Reese free special looks incredible. Mean free special looks incredible. And the ginger fish, which you have to taste. Rebecca tries ginger fish for the first time.
It's really good.
This was so good. Everybody's so Spanish. So Ian came eventually as well. Finished his scuba diving and joined us, and it was actually a lovely afternoon despite all the rain. Cheese is on special, guys. Bega smoky barbecue, yes please. And 150 grams of avati, yes please. Fairly large selection of beers, and they've now got Budweiser as well. Maybe I'll try one. Okay, I've never seen this before. Air water, made from the air. Anyone? Anyone's gonna come check out the snacks. Creamy cheddar. Yeah. Check this out. Promotion. To get home for only 145 rupees. Well, I'm definitely going to do that. Yeah, so in my Uber on my way home. What a pleasant day. Definitely going to do this again.